morning, Harry. Ready for another exciting day?
Totally. But first, breakfast. What's on the menu today?
Mom made us a super healthy breakfast. Look, I have oatmeal with fresh fruits and some boiled eggs.
Healthy? That doesn't sound as fun as pancakes and syrup.
Harry, healthy food gives you superpowers. Don't you want the energy to play all day and learn cool stuff at school?
Superpowers like what?
Okay, this oatmeal is like fuel for your brain. It helps you stay focused and think faster.
What about the fruit?
Fruits are nature's candy. They keep your tummy happy and give you vitamins to stay strong.
And that egg?
Eggs are packed with protein. They make your muscles strong. You'll be ready to kick that ball higher in soccer practice.
Okay, I'll give this superpower breakfast a try. But why is it important to eat breakfast right away? Can't I just eat later?
Breakfast is like starting a race on time. If you skip it or delay it, you'll feel slow and tired. Eating on time gets your body ready to tackle the day.
All right, Harry the healthy hero is ready for his mission.
Yeah!
Hey, this toast with peanut butter is actually tasty. Maybe healthy food isn't so bad after all.
See? And the best part is, you'll feel awesome the whole day. How's your superpower working, Harry?
Sit down, please come close to me.
Awesome. I feel like I can run forever. Thanks for teaching me, Emma.
That's what friends are for. Remember, a healthy breakfast makes every day a happy day.
As trees and quick as a crow.